In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall or delete an app from your PC or laptop. If you no longer need an app, you can easily remove it. First, click on the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen and open Settings. Next, go to Apps on the left side, then click on Installed Apps. Wait a few seconds for the list to load. You can either search for the app or scroll through the list. For example, if you want to uninstall LinkedIn, find it in the list. Click on the three dots next to the app and select Uninstall. Then click Uninstall again to confirm. The app will start uninstalling and will be removed from your system shortly. Keep in mind that some apps may have their own uninstall steps. If a new window appears, just follow the instructions. It's very simple. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Dell tutorials. Thanks for watching.